Hi, I'm Bo with Karcher. I'm here today to talk to you about how to operate and maintain your CHARIOT 3 CV861 vacuum. The first thing you're going to do with your CHARIOT 3 CV861 is unplug it from the charger. If you have the optional onboard charging system, be sure you store the cable in the correct spot. Next, make sure the brushes are free of debris and hair. Make sure the vacuum hopper tray is free of debris as well. Check the vacuum bag, and if it's full, install a new bag. When you're ready to transport the CV861 to the cleaning area, the first thing you want to do is step onto the platform and depress the operator presence switch. Turn the key on, select the transport mode on the easy dial, depress either forward or reverse to release the parking brake, and then depress the yellow foot pedal. Once you've reached the cleaning area, turn the easy dial to the correct cleaning mode that you want to utilize. You're now ready to begin vacuuming with the CV861. When you're finished vacuuming with the CV861, you'll want to make sure that you check the bag. Replace it if it's full. Clean the brushes using a seam ripper to remove any hair. Clean the debris hopper. Finally, plug your CHARIOT 3 CV861 into the charger so it's ready for the next use. So there you have it. You now know how to operate and maintain your CHARIOT 3 CV861 vacuum. Until next time, keep it clean.